about went through it. Oh boy. Hey, how's it going, everyone? We got bees in the house. It's September 11th, and I'm at a bee removal here at Merle, Iowa. Shoot. Yeah, September 11th. Not the greatest time of year to remove bees, but as you can see right over there, this house probably won't be here much longer. So the guy doing the job, he called me up, asked if I would come get him. Why not? You know, if you got a chance to save them. And just wanted to share with everyone. Check it out, old house, pretty neat. Old two-story. I was shooting a video and I actually accidentally hit the button and turned it off. So now I'm redoing the video. I haven't started cutting the house open yet. I took a couple pieces of siding off. Yeah, get a look at the inside here. This looks like the kitchen. Nice sunroof. Or sunroof skylight. What the heck am I saying? I guess the bees are in this room somewhere. We got some flying around. I was looking at the mold up there. Looks like all the way back here. Look at that. I don't know if that's from the bees. I'm hoping they're not in the ceiling. I'm hoping it's an easy extraction. I'm hoping they're in that wall. Oh wow, look at that. Kind of neat. I love these spooky old houses. Pretty nice place. Shame to see it go. Go upstairs. Anybody follow me? And we're in the kids' room. Nice. See it? Seen one. That's weird. There's another one. So, do I go through the floor, the wall? What would you do? Oh, raccoons. Oh man. Hole in the floor. Crazy history. Sad to see these things go. Hope they don't mind to look around. Better check it out. Very nice. Anyway, we'll go back downstairs. My dad's supposed to be showing up. As you imagine, it smells like raccoon crap. Pretty bad. Alright, let's see if I fall down these stairs. Go back outside. We'll get the camera set up. I don't know if it's just going to be one whole video or short video. We'll just have to see how it goes, alright? I know it's been a minute since I did a video. Just been busy. Been studying, learning new things. How's your summer going? Hope it's doing well. There's some of the stuff I brought out. Smoker, gloves, rubber bands. Brought some frames. Care if you're on video? So this is Corey, and he's the gentleman that called me. And
trying to save them. Trying to save them if I can.
Yeah, I'm waiting on my dad right now to get here. Got the side of the house tore off. Got Dad here. Brought the ladders. Go up here, check it out. So earlier, when I was in the house, we were looking through this hole. I made it a little bigger. But there's a hole coming through the outside you seen earlier. And I kind of already started cutting on it a little bit because I didn't want them to start going up there. There are already some up there. I started on it. Almost forgot to record it. And that's under the floor. You can see they've been in there before. So I'm thinking there's the other side. And there's the bottom, top of the insulation. So I'm thinking we're gonna have to. We broke through the floor, guys. We're in. Ain't keeping us out. Down the end. They definitely freaking went under the floor. So that's what? 1, 2, about 3 feet under the floor. Oh, a lot of stuff in here. Let me know what it looks like under there. You guys are getting a better view than I am. But yeah, doing a video. But I think we're gonna call it a day. I've got that blocked off. We're gonna scoot this drawer over the hole and call it a day. I'm beat. I think we'll come back tomorrow and finish packing these girls up. So stay tuned. Came back, chainsaw floor right here. I've already got some frames ready with some rubber bands. get the queen in there. Best. Oh. Chill, ladies, chill. Most of you go in there, please.
Over here.
That's all right. Just keep smoking them in there. There. They're not going up the wall out there or anything, are they? What is that? See that smoker?
Inside.
Work out or not. I can't save none of this. It won't stay in the frames. busted. Get them to start taking the hint. At least get them started. Believe it or not, I'm trying to be gentle.
Stuck on it.
And I'm also in a hurry. Some other things I have to take care of. Yeah. See that hole? I about went through it. Oh boy. Yeah. Caught myself. My foot slipped off the 2x4. Yeah. A lot more work than I thought it was going to be. I wouldn't suggest anybody trying this without a bee vacuum. I'll keep putting away at it. I think I got them all. What a chore. I think I'm just gonna take the swarm trap and throw it in the back of the Explorer and go. Thanks for watching.